tired of dull, lifeless skin? The answer might be simpler than you think. Enter matcha green tea, a powerhouse of nutrients ready to revitalize your complexion. This ancient elixir, revered for centuries in traditional Eastern practices, is now making waves in the skincare world. And for good reason. Matcha's potent blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals offers a natural, holistic approach to achieving that coveted healthy glow. Forget harsh chemicals and complicated routines. I invite you to embrace a gentler and more mindful approach to skincare. The benefits extend beyond mere aesthetics, promoting a sense of well-being that radiates from within. Get ready to unlock the secrets of radiant skin with the magic of matcha green tea. What makes matcha green tea a skincare superstar? The answer lies in its unique composition. Matcha green tea is packed with antioxidants, especially EGCG, a powerful warrior against free radical damage. You need to free yourself from all the radicals, those pesky molecules that contribute to aging and skin damage. Matcha green tea effectively neutralized the EGCG, leaving your skin protected and youthful. But that's not all. Matcha green tea boasts anti-inflammatory properties, effectively calming redness and irritation. Matcha green tea is a blessing and a gift from the nature for those with sensitive skin or conditions like eczema and rosacea. And if blemishes are your concern, matcha's antibacterial properties come to the rescue, fighting acne-causing bacteria and promoting clearer skin. Are you ready to experience the magic of matcha green tea firsthand? Try this simple and effective DIY face mask. 1 teaspoon matcha green tea powder, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, opt for Greek yogurt for added benefits, and 1 teaspoon honey. In a small bowl, combine all ingredients. Mix thoroughly until a smooth paste is formed. Apply evenly to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Relax and allow the mask to penetrate your skin and let it do the magic relax for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Follow with your favorite moisturizer. Deconstructing the ingredients, nature's bounty. Let's break down the goodness packed into each ingredient of this mask. Matcha green tea. As we've established, matcha is the star player, delivering its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory power. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid. Yogurt gently exfoliates dead skin cells, revealing brighter and smoother skin. It also helps balance the skin's pH level. Honey. A natural humectant, honey attracts and retains moisture, leaving your skin soft and supple. It also possesses antibacterial properties, further enhancing the mask's blemish-fighting abilities. Embrace the ritual, reveal your glow. Incorporating a matcha green tea mask into your skincare routine isn't just about topical benefits, it's about carving out time for self-care. The act of preparing the mask, applying it mindfully, and allowing it to work its magic is indeed an act of self-love. It's a moment to pause, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. Matcha's green tea has a gentle, effective nature and reminds us that true beauty comes from within. It's about nourishing ourselves with nature's finest ingredients and embracing a holistic approach to well-being. So go ahead, treat yourself to the gift of matcha green tea and let your inner and outer radiance shine through. Don't forget to leave your comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for your support. Have a good life.